All the fast food is getting smaller and the ingredients are getting worse. So today we're going to make a huge Big Mac with a couple changes from the original that will make it light years better. Don't miss out on any other delicious food ideas. Go ahead and like and subscribe right now. We're making a chicken bacon ranch Big Mac, and we need to start with the seasoning for our chicken. So we have butter, fish sauce, Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it, liquid smoke, garlic powder, cayenne, white pepper, onion powder, and we're just going to microwave that real quick to get it all mixed together with the liquidy butter. So our butter has been softened. We'll mash it up a little bit. And now we just need to gently toss our chicken in it, and we'll put that in the fridge to let it sit. I guarantee you this is going to make a better burger than probably 99% of anything you've ever had before. The seasoning mixture is the bomb. I'm going to chop up some butterhead lettuce. Can't be a Big Mac without a nice little lettuce base on there. Some green onions. I find green onions go great with bacon. They go great with chicken. And we have this homemade ranch sauce. To make the homemade ranch, start with sour cream. Then another half cup of mayonnaise. My favorite instrument. Garlic cloves. And buttermilk. And a whole tin of anchovies packed in oil, including the oil. Well, minus one anchovy, because that one's for Daddy. A couple green onions. And some parsley. And a little bit of dill. It's going to be very herby. So we're going to blend this together. And then that'll mix in with our sour cream and our mayonnaise and the juice of a lemon. Get our lemon juice in there. Make sure not to get any seeds in there. A little fresh cracked pepper. Whisk it up. And that is a zesty, delicious ranch. Now, it wouldn't be a bacon chicken ranch without the bacon, so we're going to take about a half pound of bacon. And hey, if you don't like bacon, you don't like pork, you can use bacon bits instead. It's actually really good. And fry these up till they're nice and crispy. I'm going to put them on some paper towels so I can soak up some of the extra oil. Just helps make them a little more crispy on the sandwich. Press that oil right out of there. Now we're going to form our patties. They don't need to be too big because we're going to smash these out and make nice, thin, crispy smash burgers. Cook them in the bacon fat. Smash them down good. And this is high heat, and they will cook 60 seconds per side. Look at that. That's beautiful, and it smells amazing. So quick and easy, ready to go. We have our brioche bun, Big Mac, so we're using 2 bottoms, 1 top bun, bed of lettuce, some of our homemade ranch to hold it all together. Put our nice chicken patty down there, bacon on top of that. Time for the second bun. Put the porous side up on the second bun so it can absorb any of the juices. Bed of lettuce. Get some of that ranch on there. And then we're going to hit it with a big handful of those green onions. It'll be a nice flavor bomb. Then our chicken patty and more bacon. It's like a comic book burger. It's so juicy, it's so flavorful, it's so beautiful. I could just stare at it, but I think I need to eat it. I need to eat the whole thing. Oh, that is... I might have to just do chicken burgers from now on. This is maybe better than any beef burger I've ever had. This is just so delicious, so savory, such a wonderful balance of flavors. I can't stop myself from eating it long enough to clean my hands and turn off the camera, so I'm just going to eat the whole thing on camera here. You can stick around if you want to, but I'm not offended if you need to turn it off to avoid this gluttonous display. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these food ideas, because I got a ton more coming and I don't want you to miss out.